We're outside Tor, and it's not a foggy day, and that's what I didn't see behind it the other day. West Mill Tor, and behind that, which we can't see now, is High Will Haze.
No, we can see it.
I don't know if this is Tor walking weather currently. Well, there's Tor. It's in the rain now. Good thing I closed the door. Around this side of Tor now, and that should be West Mill Tor.
It's probably Creeper's Hold.
And that's probably Creeper's Hold. Giant butterfly, how giant?
Okay, maybe I'm exaggerating.
Oh, we're up near it. I wonder if there's a pull-in around here. We're between them. I can see the rain falling on Okehampton down there.
In front here, Tom. Okay, so
we passed Okehampton Camp and we went past Creeper's Hole, and we are right beside West Mill Tor. So today, it's a clearer day but a rainier day. No fog, but we got intermittent showers. And that's Tor, where I was the other day in the fog. And we've come up the other road from the bridge, and this is West Mill Tor. The road, the track runs quite close to it, so we're going to try and go up there. West Mill Tor is one of the higher ones around here. We were thinking of going over there towards East Mill Tor, which I think is one of these, but just over by this weird bunkery thing and rock stack, the tarmacked road becomes a big gravelly road, so we couldn't drive down. But there are a lot of tarmacked roads up here. Are you liking this content? Huh? Sunny, yeah. Not for long. Ugh. On some glittery rocky ground. Trying to stay away from the marshy bits.
How to neutralise a machine gun nest.
Yeah, could be a training point for that sort of thing. Hard to film right now, guys. It's so wet. We got heavy rain. Well, it's just stopped a very heavy shower. And the rocks and grass are very slippery, so I'm a bit worried about falling and stuff. There might be another one of these, so hopefully there'll be some sheltering rocks at the top. We just got to get over some slippery rocks first. I'm going to find that rock we were looking at. I made it to the grassy bit past all this mess. That was a bit tough going. So I don't know how much more of it. These might be false peaks up here. I think this might be a beak-shaped rock that we saw from below. Oh, it looks a bit like a beak from over there, from down there. We're already up much higher than Tor, where we were last time. Be prepared for a nice view once we get to whatever the top is around here. Should be able to see the reservoir and the quarry and the Southern Tors and lots of things. Even the higher Tors, well, yes Tor anyway, we'll be able to see. High Will Haze is elusive. Gotta go up this smaller right hand stack first. See if I can see any false peaks from up there. That's a nice way up compared to what we were dealing with just now. Ah. There's multiple stacks. Okay. Pretty good view. I'll get closer to the edge, so I'll try the higher stack second, and then that stack, which is lower than this one, third. There's a higher stack. Panicked little rams. Oh no, I can feel rain. Might be rain. Oh, got sunshine as well as rain. That's cool looking down there. I'm not sure if climbing is a good idea now the rains are coming back and forth. Might do a little climb. Well, that's sort of near the top. Got a weird stone there balancing. Might be a Logan stone. I believe that's Yes Tor there. But that must be our first sight of High Will Haze. Just in the sunshine there. Oh, and that rain's coming for us now.
Shelter from the storm.
Shelter from the storm. You got there?
This is a rocky one, isn't it?
Yeah, nice little bit of shelter. I hope it becomes sunny.
There's a little lump further.
Yeah, I was going to go to that for a view of the reservoir, but I just thought I'd go near the top up there. Oh, yikes. I hope this is sheltered enough. My camera's going to get all wet in a sec, so... Cloud coming through the gap between us. Oh, camera's getting wet. That's the first time we've ever caught out on Dartmoor in a massive rainstorm. And that was pretty ridiculously torrential. The winds are very cold. We're going to use this little gap in the weather to just explore before we go down again. Probably get caught in another one. There's the, we hid between these two rocks here. Hid between those two. There's the stack I climbed. Another stack. Just going to go get a few with Dan. That's on the edge. And then head down, because it's crazy and hospitable out here today. Even with the gaps of sunshine. The rain is... yikes. Super heavy winds and rain. I think Dad said he saw snowflakes at one point. I don't know if that was real or not. I couldn't see them myself, but he said some of them were. Like some of the white dots were like trailing in a snowflakey way. What? Don't look over there. Oh, go and look over there. Good view. We're going to use this respite and then we're going to go down. Hey! Hey! That's what I was looking for. Yeah? You want a panorama? Look at that. We're gonna do panorama. This is West Mill Tor that we're on here. On the long stone side, I can just make out, let's see, Rotor I think. There's Okehampton Camp down there where we came from. Can't see the reservoir from here actually. One of these is Longstone Hill. Got a video on that. You can see Sowerton Tor's over there. And Branscombe's Loaf. Over there is Yes Tor. Second biggest in Dartmoor in South England. Behind it to the left is enshrouded in mist. We saw it earlier. It's coming out now. High Will Haze. Doesn't look much, but it's the tallest in South England. Below the Brecon Beacons. And this is our first view of it. Well, earlier it was in sunshine, it was a lot better. There's some more rocks there. I think they're part of West Mill Tor. There's something around here called Red Aven. Not sure where that is. That's the Longstone side. Let's go round the back of the rocks. There's some more tors to be seen from that side. My ears are icy and cold. We're in heavy rainstorms. It is August, don't forget. Still managed to have a nice little gap in the weather here, so gonna do this last panorama. We are now the other side of West Mill Tor, so we're facing like Bellstone and the east. West Mill Tor. You've got I think East Hill down by Okehampton down there. Okehampton I think hidden by the Tor over here somewhere. That's Road Tor that we were up the other day. Sun's coming out right here where we are. Nice. I can never get the order right on these, but I think Scary Tor or Tor's End, Bellstone Tor, Higher Tor, Winter Tor. Not quite sure what that giant hill is at the top. It does seem to have a stone outcropping on it. That's not noticed that before. I can name these as the editor down here. The ones at the back I think is Oak Tor. One in the foreground you're seeing I think our original destination, East Mill Tor. And there we go, High Will Haze and Yes Tor. Cool. We're gonna get off this lump now before we get hit by another torrential rainstorm. But that was West Mill Tor, an unexpected visit. That's where we just were in these conditions. Are you getting wet? That's coming from my side, so you're not getting wet. Well, they might. They should have driven, shouldn't they? There's a load. Oh, they're trying to... Oh, you kind of feel bad for them out there.
No, you don't. It's a natural drama.
Yeah, it must happen often for them, but at the same time, it's where they're going to go. I wonder where they're going to. You'll try and find some shelter.